I'm Gus with Sharpertek, and we're here demonstrating our new ultrasonic plastic welder. It is CNC controlled, and we can weld by distance, time, energy, and force. So this is an example here. We have two parts to be welded together, tacked on four corners. And the first thing we're going to do with this welder is set the start point for the horn. So I'm going into the main screen, and I'm going to jog the horn up, and I'm going to set a starting point. Let's say we want to start at this point so the part can go inside. The second step to do in a setup, we want to sense the start point for the welding. So I'll do a part approach, and we'll approach the part and sense where the part is. This is done automatically with the controls. So now we've set up a start point. The third step in a setup mode is we go into the settings screen, and we can set the speed of the horn, the time, the hold time, the weld distance, and the starting point at which the weld starts. And we can also set the force. So I put 3 seconds for the time and 2 seconds for the hold time. Going back to the main screen and initiate the weld. And weld it on another spot here. So I welded it at 2 points here. On this side here where you can see the weld line, and on this side. And this part is already very strong. So we can have a perimeter horn. This unit can go all the way up to 5,000 watts, and it can well handle a cylindrical horn to weld it. Thank you.